Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check if an address is mailable by USPS and why this is helpful. This matters because a malleable address is one USPS can recognize and deliver to. It doesn't prove a person or business is actually there, it only confirms whether the address can receive mail. So first go to USPS.com. At the top, under Quick Tools, select Look Up a Zip Code, then choose Verify Address. The minimum info the USPS tool needs is the street address, city, and state. So if you want, you can leave apartment, suite, and zip code blank. So type the street address, city, and state, then click Find. Now the USPS tool will check the address against the official USPS database. So here's what you might see. A list of addresses if there are multiple matches, one address if there's only one match, or an incomplete address that's missing the zip. So if the zip +4 is missing, that usually means USPS only found a partial match. So for example, it might recognize the city and state, but can't confirm the exact house number. So if you open down the drop down next to the address, you can also see extra details like carrier route and county. So one important note, the USPS verification tool only checks if the address can receive mail. It does not confirm that someone lives or works there. So there are also a few downsides to the USPS tool. You have to type the address in separate parts, which can be annoying if you're doing more than one or two. There's also no autocomplete, so you have to type the full address manually. USPS only covers the US, and their database won't include some non-postal addresses that private carriers like FedEx, UPS, and DHL can still deliver to. Now let me show you another free tool that's faster and can also validate international addresses. And that's it. Quick ways to verify addresses for USPS and more. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one.